So this just happened, guys. Last night during the storm, we had I don't know if you guys saw, we had a little storm in Texas last night. I guess something flew while I was driving. It's either that or um, one of the water gutters, one of the sewage came off and it hit my front lip. So it took my bumper off, took my water reservoir off, the harness for the fog lights, and the water the headlight washer system got destroyed. And I'm finding little knickknacks here, destroyed the bracket that goes underneath here, stuff like that. Let me show you real quick my bumper. uh, so this is how the bumper end up. I guess the impact was right there, of whatever hit me. So let me get you back for the vehicle. So there's a positive and a negative that comes to this. Is positive, I mean negative is I'm gonna have to take some money out of the budget from the RX-7 to fix this. The positive for you guys is so sorry about that, guys. My camera got a little overheated, but um like I said, this got stripped. Like I was saying, I'm just gonna fix the vehicle, get it sold. I usually don't keep my vehicles that too long, um, because they're just, to me, they're just marketing tools. This one I did fall in love. It's a great car. It's has great maintenance and all that. I kept it a little too long. Things happen. So for one of you lucky guys, you're gonna get a chance to win the Man Media's first marketing car. We've already done a big brake Brembo upgrade, carbon fiber mirrors, big brake Brembos on the back too. So they're 6 pod and 4 pod on the back. So everything is gonna get corrected. It has AC's nicer exhaust, some other stuff. We'll mention that all later, but just keep tuned. I'm gonna be logging everything that is gonna be done to the car. It should be done in about a month or so. So stay tuned, guys. It's just a quick update of what's happening with the car. So we already stripped the headlights and stuff like that to fix the harness. Harness has been fixed. If you see right there, we already fixed everything. Now we placed an order today for some parts, because we lost whenever the bumper ripped off. We lost some of the fender linings. So we actually lost, I want to say that's the traction control module and the ABS sensor. So we're actually talking to one of the vendors out here to get those parts original. Also, I think this one is related to those two. So we're working on those. This side, let me show you. On the passenger side, we've already had a fender. That fender had a couple of dings, and I had already replaced it. I was getting ready to send it to paint. On this side, the damage was basically, we lost one of the motors for the windshield washers. We lost one of the trim that goes here with the windshield washer, where the windshield washer motor goes. So the hose for the fluid bottle It got damaged. This is gonna get order original. The bottle is okay. It's a little dirty and stuff. We found it at the site where where we cracked, well, where I hit something. um so we're gonna get that all cleaned up and nice. And that's about it. That's the extent of the damage. Of course, we are gonna do brand new bumper, um the brand new front fender lip and all that. Make this car neat, make this car, nice, and get it to some lucky winner. So just so you know, this is not my typical tutorial, so there's not gonna be that much information here. Just what we're gonna be doing with the vehicle, simply because this was my personal car, or is my personal car. It was just something to drive around and represent my media. But hey, like I said, now we're gonna get ready to do something with it, sell it, give it away. I'm thinking I'm gonna give it away. I just gotta figure out a way to do it legally and not, not sound like a scam artist. But just keep posted. See, keep watching the videos. They're gonna be short, just giving you quick updates, and let's go from there. Okay. Thank you, guys.